Hallo Traders. In this video I will share a request for an expert advisor from one subscriber. This expert advisor is a golden elephant. I will make another AA request in the next video. From the MQL5 site, the way this AA works is to detect trend reversals. Reversal trading is a type of trading strategy that aims to identify points where the price of an asset is likely to reverse. Golden Elephant expert advisor is classified as an aggressive expert advisor that can generate fast profits in a short time. That capital recommended $1,000 minimum. You can run the best time frame on the M5 time frame. For leverage of 1 to 500 or more. Here I do not find detailed information on live trading results. There is only evidence screenshot golden live trading result Elephant of. From the trading results of 24 weeks of profit obtained by 362%. With a maximum drawdown of 52.8%. The second trading 4 weeks to get a profit of up to 97% with a maximum drawdown of 22.8%. The third trading 1 week yielded 3% profit. With a 2% drawdown. From several reviewers quite satisfied with the work of the golden expert advisor Elephant. As a reference, I also tried to find additional information regarding the performance results of this AA. This is the result of trading using the golden elephant, but not using the XAUUSD pair. Trading starts from the 4th of February 2023, with leverage 1 to 1000. You can see here the profit growth chart. Information advances statistics. 1 month running this expert advisor, a total of 1057 trades were opened. So many times this AA opens transactions. Profit factor which produced a 2.92. That pair carried out there are 6 pairs. You can also note here each of the advantages produced from each pair. Hourly information. Trading carried out full 24 hours 5 days a week. Currently trading is still going on and there is a floating loss of €143.46. Monthly analytics information. Revenue in February was 16.15%. Today I just tried the Golden Elephant Expert Advisor here. After running this Expert Advisor you can immediately see the transaction being opened. I run the Golden Elephant Expert Advisor on the XAUUSD and EURUSD pairs. With the M5 time frame. I will show you the presets I use. I have shared this Expert Advisor for free, complete with the preset that I use. You can get AA files and presets on the hgtrade-aa.com website. Okay, this is a review using the Golden Elephant Expert Advisor. I will monitor the development results from running this AA on the pair XAUUSD and EURUSD. Maybe between a week or a few weeks from now I will make another comment about its development. So don't forget to turn on notifications on the button below, so you don't miss it when there is a next video update. My advice is if you want to use this AA, make sure you first try it on a demo account for at least 1 month or until you are sure to switch to an account real. Make it a habit to learn how it works from an expert advisor. Each expert advisor has different characteristics. Thank you for watching until the end.